Okay, so I kind of wanted to show this trunk more. So this little deep well here, this I think is like a 27-inch iMac or something. And then I fit that stuff, pickleball paddles in there. I'm gonna see about laying it down on top of this instead because I feel this isn't as safe. So let me try that and I'll be back. Okay, so with the seats up, yeah, no, that's not gonna fit in there. So let's see, guess we can kind of tilt this forward and I will just put it like sideways across maybe. Okay. Ooh, that's perfect actually. Okay, so I can actually sit it like that and that should actually be perfect. All right, so that's a good way to fit a giant iMac like that. You can probably put extra towels down to make it extra padded or safe if you're worried about it, but that looks good. All right, so just kind of wanted to show you guys what the interior, again, this thing I haven't gotten fixed. I'm not gonna get an appointment, or they scheduled an appointment, but it's not until like April 11th, so almost a month out. Hopefully that'll be easily fixed. And then this one, I think this one is probably going to be an easy fix for them. They're probably just going to pop this out and then they just have to realign it a little more this way because this is kind of popping out, and that would close this gap, and also it would fix, I didn't show earlier, but let's close the thing. But if you look at this side is indented more, so it's not like flush. So all they gotta do is like lift it out a little bit and it should be perfect. So the seat is like the only real problem. This one's not really much of a problem. Yeah, all right, that's it. See you guys later. Bye.